Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn on aeroplane mode in our Poco phone guys. You want to on guys your aeroplane mode in your Poco phone, so you can on it. And friends, now let's see how to on aeroplane mode in our Poco phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your aeroplane mode. Guys, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So when you can see there is no any aeroplane mode setting. So when how can we on it? So friends, you can see your connection and sharing option guys. Tap here guys, scroll friends, you can see your aeroplane mode setting guys. You want to on, you can on from here guys. Your aeroplane mode will on, and guys you cannot use your mobile data setting, and guys call setting you cannot use. You can use guys your download movies only. You have your download movies, you can use it. So like that guys, you can on your aeroplane mode in your Poco phone from your phone settings. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.